How to put your iPhone in diagnosis mode. Putting your iPhone into diagnosis mode typically refers to accessing field test mode. That means you are allowed to view various technical details about your phone's network connection and signal strength. To put your iPhone in diagnosis mode, first of all, you have to launch your settings on your device. From there, scroll down a little bit. There you'll see General. Simply tap on it and do shut down your device for at least 30 seconds. Then, while restarting your device, simply press the volume up and volume down button. Keep pressing it until you see Apple logo. Then you will see this interface. From here, you have to select Start Session. Once you select that, you have successfully started your iPhone in diagnosis mode. In this very easy step, you can easily put your iPhone in diagnosis mode. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.